Every year, North Texas sees an instance of ice or snow, so it's necessary to be prepared for winter weather. The most important thing you can do for you and your family is to have the supplies necessary to shelter at home for at least 3 days. These items include things such as non-perishable food, plenty of water, flashlights, and a first aid kit. You should also have a smaller kit for your vehicle and at work that include things like blankets and warm clothing in case you are stranded outside of your home.
When the weather turns cold, it's important to keep your home warm. Apply caulk to cracks and openings in your home to help keep the cold air outside. Reverse any ceiling fans to help recirculate warm air back down into the room. Open your blinds during the daytime so the sun can naturally warm your home.
There are several actions you can take to help prevent your pipes from freezing this winter. Open all cabinets with plumbing inside and allow your faucets to drip at about 5 drops per minute. Outside, remove all hoses from faucets and then cover the faucets with styrofoam covers or rags. And if you're going out of town, consider completely turning your water off at the meter valve.
For more information and for a full list of supplies, visit ready.gov.